Welcome to our Python syntax tutorial. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how to declare variables, write simple comparisons, and control flow with an if statement. By the end, you'll be able to read and write basic Python code confidently. Many new programmers stumble over basic syntax, leading to errors like undefined variables or incorrect indentation. Understanding the correct structure prevents these frustrations and speeds up learning. Python uses simple assignment with the equals sign, comparison operators like greater than, and indentation to define code blocks. An if statement evaluates a condition and runs the indented code only when true. Let's look at a concrete example. We assign 5 to x and 10 to y. The if statement checks whether x is greater than y. Since it's false, the print line is skipped. Change the values to see the output change. Always use clear variable names and keep consistent indentation. 4 spaces is the Python standard. Avoid mixing tabs and spaces, and remember that equality uses double equals sign, not a single equals. We've covered variable assignment, comparisons, and basic if statements. Practice by modifying the example and adding more conditions. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Python tutorials and hit the bell icon.